Are you confused on how to use essential oils? Then this recipe will help clear up that confusion and will make a great addition. Let's make this love massage oil so that you can be confident in your knowledge and use of essential oils. Because with this recipe, you'll go from confused to confident. Hi, I'm Summer, certified aromatherapist who loves teaching you how to use your essential oils. Turn off those distractions because making is healing and get ready to get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. All right, so from your Simply Earth monthly recipe box, you'll need your love oil, the recipe card, and the stickers. From your big bonus box, you'll need your almond oil, and then from your house, just any 1 ounce container will do. I'm going to add 15 drops of our Love Essential Oil blend. Then you'll just need 2 tablespoons of almond oil. You'll just need to fill the rest of the container up with almond oil. And remove the funnel. Then put the lid back on. And we'll shake it up. Next step, you're just gonna wanna grab those stickers and put it on your bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and put my sticker on my 1 ounce bottle. Look at that. You can make this. And since I love to see your creations, make sure to take lots of photos and post them on social media, tagging From Simply Earth with #IMadeThis. The Simply Earth monthly recipe box makes it so easy to make natural recipes. Go make it!